President Buhari pray for unity, peace and national development for Medina. President Buhari don comot from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where him go for the Future Investment Summit, go Medina go pray for the betterment of Nigeria. Some ogbonge people like the governor of Medina, Nigeria ambassador to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and Nigeria Minister of Communications, Digital Economy Issa Pantami received the president for airport. From the airport, the president go mosque of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, where the deputy chief imam, Dr. Muhammad Arudiru, receive am and usher am and delegates go rounder, where be the respected section of the Holy Mosque. Senior Special Advisor to the President, Media and Publicity, Garba Shehu, come talk say na the many wahala wey dey our country join wetin the president pray about.
Inside the Holy Mosque, of course, we have some designated parts of it which are favored in the eyes of the Almighty, and Muslims are encouraged when they come here to pray, to engage in those places. And President Muhammadu Buhari has come here, of course, against the backdrop of the enormous problems that bedevil our own country. Security is key on his mind. The issues of economy, against the backdrop of all of the damage that the pandemic has done, not only to Nigeria but to all global economies. So he deeply engrossed, impressed, along with members of his delegation, hoping that the Almighty God would intervene in the affairs of Nigeria and that relief may come to the nation and its own people.
This na the ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give una. From Saudi Arabia, Osato Ame Ogbede.